everybody! Today I am in Seoul and I went to this store for the brand called CARLYN. I bought 4 purses and I will be unboxing 2 of the purses today. So the first one I got was this one. I think it's the Ivory large. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And then, so the store had a bottom that was a showcase, and the top you could try on. So here's the bag. I don't know. What's really cool about the bag is there's this strap here. And you could, so if you want it to be shorter, you just go like this and it makes it shorter. So that's cool. That's the adjustable strap. And let's see, inside here is paper, dust bag, and I believe this was 85. It was on sale actually, so it says 100k won here, but it was actually on sale for 85. It's a pretty good deal. Silicone, and it looks like this. And that's the zipper. That's the first bag I bought here. And here I am trying on the bag. I've been basically wearing this almost every day. This is my go-to bag. It's so light and it carries so much. And then I got the black version. I'm not gonna open this. I got a black version as well. Same thing, and then I got a tiny one. Let me open this up. This is also Ivory. And I believe this was 144 Korean won. Open this. Here you go. It's the bag. And let's open it. It's a little small bag here. Just like this. Very structured. Yeah, go ahead and open it. Inside is a strap, so you can actually, tied right now, but you can actually clip these. And the inside is purple. So let me take out this paper here. It looks like this inside. It's purple inside. Alright, and yeah, so this is the bag.